Yes. Um, Good morning. Morning, family. It's a wonderful morning. This is the day that the Lord has made. This is Apostle Zedi Neto Nonda from Jerusalem City of God Ministries International. I just decided that I should come this morning and we have a little talk as a family. There are moments and times wherein we need to encourage one another. We need to build each other's up. Okay, this morning I want us to talk briefly. But before that, let me welcome you all.